let us continue with speed and velocity. I wanted a common example which will cover your distance, displacement, speed and also velocity. Okay, and it will also cover average speed as well as average velocity. So I think this is a very good example which is given in your textbook also. Now children, when Sheetal first went to her friend Sangeeta's house on her way to school, right? So when Sheetal will be going to school, she has to cover 500 meters and she also has to cover 1200 meters. So her total distance will be 1700 meters, right? So Sheetal has travelled total distance of 1700 meters to go from A, B and reach the point C. Whereas Prashant, who is also staying in the same house as Sheetal, Prashant did not go to Sangeeta's house, but he went directly from his house and he reached the school. Prashant's house is marked as A, same as Sheetal's house, and school is marked as point C. So the total distance that Prashant had to travel was 1300. And children, of the two distances ABC and distance AC, we have taken ABC as distance. Whereas we have taken AC as the displacement. Now, already in the textbook it is given as 1300 meters. Those who are interested to know how this 1300 meters has come, for them I have worked out so that they will come to know how this 1300 has come. So if you look carefully, this looks like a right angle triangle, children, and we have applied Pythagoras theorem where AC is the hypotenuse. The remaining two sides, their squares I have taken and I have added. Okay, and then I have taken the square root of the hypotenuse to get the answer as 1300 meters. Pythagoras theorem, something that you have already learned in your lower classes. So I have done it and kept it here for you, and that is how we are getting the answer displacement as 1300 meters. So it is already put up here. Now we'll use the same example. Okay, Sheetal and Sangeeta is 500 meters, and that the distance between the houses of Sheetal and Sangeeta is 500 meters, and that between Sangeeta and school is 1200 meters, right? Now the straight line distance between Sheetal's house and school, that is what we have taken as displacement, is 1300 meters. Suppose Sheetal takes 5 minutes to reach from her house and reach Sangeeta's house, and then she takes 24 minutes to reach from Sangeeta's house and to reach the school. Now let us do the first one. Speed along the path AB, that is this distance between AB, the name is given as path A. So we know the definition of speed. Speed is distance upon time. So distance is how much, children? 500 divided by time, that is 5. So as we divide these two values, 500 by 5 gives us 100. In the similar way, we will also calculate the speed between the points B and C, that is called as path B. So speed along path B, that is along BC. Again we know speed is going to be distance upon time. So this time the distance along BC is 1200 meters and the time taken to do so is 24 minutes. When you do the cancellations, like it is 12 hundreds are, and this is 12 twos are. So 100 by 2 is going to be 50 meters per minute. Here also we have to write the units. This is 100 meters per minutes. Meter because distance is in meter, and minutes because time is taken in minutes. Okay. So speed along path A we got as 100 meters per minute, and speed along path B we have got it as 50 meters per minute. In both the cases we have made use of the formula distance upon time. We have made use of the formula distance upon time. Now what is average speed? Average speed is defined as the ratio of total distance travelled upon total time taken. Average speed is found, we find average speed by using the formula total distance travelled upon total time taken. Here the total distance is 500 plus 1200, which comes to 1700, and the total time taken is 5 minutes plus 24 minutes, which comes to 29 minutes. So in order to find the average speed, I need to divide 1700 by 29, which is already divided and kept for you, and it comes to be 58.6 meters per minute. How this answer is worked out, this division is already done and it is kept for you here. Correct? So how do we find average speed? Average speed is found as the ratio of total distance travelled upon total time taken. Total distance here is 500 meters plus 1200 meters, and total time is taken as 5 minutes plus 24 minutes, which is 29, and the division is shown here. So in this example our average speed is 58.6 meters per minute.